Hey, super excited here at KRS. We got this 49 Ford pickup that we get to build for my pops. So super cool. Right now we're going to be blowing it all apart. We're going to do all the chassis stuff thanks to the great folks at TCI Engineering. They've got all their front and rear suspension stuff. Dutchman's providing us a rear end, Wilwood brakes. We're just going to make a nice little cruiser truck for my dad. We're going to strip the thing, blast it, make our own fake patina on it, be painted inside, vintage air AC stuff. Got some Steely Smooth wheels on it, so hopefully in springtime we'll have this puppy up and running, and then get the guys over at Western Blasting to blast it into our powder coating. So keep an eye on this one. It's going to be a fun little project for my dad.
Alright, well, the hood and the fenders are off, and now it kind of looks like Dumbo the elephant. Alright, so we got everything in the cab out. We got the steering column, the windshield, the whole front end, running boards, and now the cab's almost ready to come off. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes the Ford pickup teardown. The only thing we got left to do is take out that crossbeam, but other than that, it's just a chassis, and we're going to leave the bed on for some measurements, but other than that, the rest of the truck remains outside. So, there you have it. We'll hopefully have this thing built in here pretty soon.